Hello everybody, welcome back to Pro Toaster here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download Sony Vegas Pro 15 full for free. So what you want to do is go to the link in the description, and it's going to take you to this Mega Uploads page. And of course we're going to want to click download, so that's just going to download it for me. This download is fairly big, so it might take a few minutes, so I'm going to skip back once it's all downloaded. So I'm just going to save it to my desktop. There we go. We can close all this now, and there it is. And then all you want to do is just extract it. So extract here, and there we go. So what you're going to want to do first is run the installer. So once you've run the installer, something's going to pop up in a minute. Just wait for it to load up. There we go. So we're English, so we're just going to select English, and then we're going to agree and click next, and we want a shortcut, and we're just going to wait for this to install. This does take a little while. So I'm just going to skip it now for you. You're welcome. This takes like 2-3 minutes, so it's just going to save some time. So this is now finishing, so we're just going to click finish, and then all we need to do now is run the patcher. This is a really simple and quick process. There's no messing around. You just run through the patcher and then click finish and start up Sony Vegas. This is probably the cleanest and easiest way of doing this. You don't need to go into any host files and block anything. This will all automatically do it for you. So basically what the patch does, it inserts a license file in for you, and then it blocks all the internet connections from Vegas Pro. So they don't know that you're not actually running a legitimate program. So all is good. It doesn't have a nice new look, which is great. I've been using it now for the past few videos, loving it. It's a lot better than the previous versions. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and favourite, and check out my other videos, guys. I've just uploaded one for Avira VPN Pro full for free, so hope you enjoyed. So have a nice evening or day. Take care. Goodbye.